Welcome back to Underdog Electronics. Today, get ready to be blown away as we unveil the hottest smartphone releases of 2024. From the sleek Samsung Galaxy 24 to the innovative Samsung Z Fold 6, we're diving deep into the future of technology. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all our exciting tech updates. Let's kick things off with the Samsung Galaxy 24, set to launch in February 2024. Brace yourselves, tech enthusiasts, because this phone is a game changer. With its 6.7-inch AMOLED display boasting a mind-blowing 120Hz refresh rate, get ready for visuals that will redefine your smartphone experience. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and featuring up to 12GB of RAM and storage options soaring as high as 2TB, the Galaxy 24 is a powerhouse in your hands. But that's not all. The camera system is set to revolutionize mobile photography with a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel primary sensor and cutting-edge zoom capabilities. And let's not forget the new design featuring a flatter frame and a rectangular display, promising a fresh look that's bound to turn heads. The expected pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 is still unknown, as it has not yet been released. However, based on the pricing of previous Samsung Galaxy S series phones, we can expect the S24 to start around $799 for the base model. The higher-end models such as the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra are expected to be more expensive. The cost of components such as the processor, display, and camera sensors could affect the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The state of the global economy could also play a role, as could the price of competing smartphones. We will have to wait until the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is officially released to know the exact pricing. So be prepared for any scenario, and your wallet won't be taken by surprise. Next up, Xiaomi's 14 series, a true marvel in the smartphone world. The Xiaomi 14 series includes the Xiaomi 14, Xiaomi 14 Pro, and the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The Xiaomi 14 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro are the first phones to launch with the new flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Both smartphones come equipped with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. The Xiaomi 14 has a 6.36-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, while the Xiaomi 14 Pro has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 2K resolution. The Xiaomi 14 has a triple rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, as well as a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. It has a 5,000 mAh battery with 67-watt wired and wireless charging and runs on Android 14 with MIUI 14. The Xiaomi 14 Pro has the same camera system and front-facing camera, but with a 5,000 mAh battery with 120-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. Pricing and availability for the Xiaomi 14 series have been announced for China, with the Xiaomi 14 starting at 3,999 yuan, about $546 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro starting at 4,999 yuan, about $683. However, international pricing and availability have not yet been revealed. European consumers may have to wait for the global release of the Xiaomi 14 series, as previous models debuted around the time of the Mobile World Congress. Both phones run on Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and early indications suggest that this means they'll be extremely powerful. The Xiaomi 14 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro offer a similar design to their predecessors, but with larger camera arrays. Both models boast top-notch camera capabilities with a triple camera setup and improved sensor technology. The Xiaomi 14 has a 6.36-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution, while the Xiaomi 14 Pro has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 2K resolution. Both use OLED panels with adaptable refresh rates of up to 120 Hz and touch sampling rates up to 240 Hz. When it comes to color options, the standard Xiaomi 14 is available in jade green, black, white, and snow mountain pink. The Xiaomi 14 Pro is available in black, silver, jade green, and titanium. The Xiaomi 14 series has been officially unveiled in China, and it looks like it will be the Android series to beat when it comes to performance and camera capabilities. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 12, a fan favorite brand known for its incredible value. The OnePlus 12 features a 6.7-inch QHD+ OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering a visual feast for your eyes. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and available with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, this device ensures seamless performance and ample space for all your needs. The camera system is nothing short of spectacular with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 64-megapixel telephoto sensor, providing unparalleled versatility. Plus, with a massive 5,000 mAh battery and 100-watt fast charging, the OnePlus 12 keeps you powered up all day long. When it comes to pricing, OnePlus is known for offering better value than most of its immediate rivals, and that's set to continue for 2024. While international pricing has not yet been revealed, the OnePlus 12 is expected to be priced similarly to its predecessor, with the starting model priced at around $749 and the higher-end version at around $849. The OnePlus 12 is shaping up to be an impressive smartphone with top-of-the-line specs and features. It is expected to offer massive performance improvements over its predecessor, and with its competitive pricing, it is sure to be a hit among consumers. For all you Google Pixel enthusiasts out there, get ready for the Google Pixel 8a. This mid-range marvel features a 6.2-inch OLED display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate powered by the Google Tensor G2 processor. With 8GB of RAM and storage options up to 256GB, the Pixel 8a ensures snappy performance and ample space for your apps and media. But where the Pixel 8a truly shines is its camera system, boasting a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor capturing every detail with finesse. Add a 4,600 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, and you have a device that balances power and efficiency seamlessly. When it comes to pricing, Google is known for offering great value for money, and that's set to continue in 2024. Pricing and availability for the Google Pixel 8a have not yet been announced, but it is expected to be priced similarly to its predecessor, the Pixel 7a, which was priced at $499. However, there are concerns that the price of the Pixel 8a may increase, as the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro were both raised in price by $100. The Google Pixel 8a is shaping up to be an impressive mid-range smartphone with top-of-the-line specs and features. It is expected to offer great value for money, and with its impressive camera system and long software support cycle, it is sure to be a hit among consumers. Last but certainly not least, we have Samsung's foldable wonders, the Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6. The Z Flip 6 features a compact clamshell design with a 6.7-inch main display and a 2.1-inch external display. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it offers snappy performance for your multitasking needs. The camera system, with its 50-megapixel main sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, captures moments in stunning detail. Now let's talk about the Z Fold 6, a true marvel of engineering. With its 7.8-inch main display featuring a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.2-inch external display, this device offers a versatile experience tailored to your needs. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor ensures blazing fast performance, while the camera system, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor with a 3x optical zoom, delivers unparalleled photography prowess. And there you have it, folks, a sneak peek into the future of smartphones. Which one caught your eye? Be sure to explore the links in the description for more in-depth details on each device. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech content. Thanks for joining us here at Underdog Electronics, where the future of technology is just a click away. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.